The container plants that has been an innovation for many decades now. You get around the whole transplant shock thing. It's only about maintenance. In
Hmm.
the fall, as your weather is cooling off and we're traditionally getting more rains, the maintenance becomes much less. So you can plant in late October and early November and water it in when you first plant it, and perhaps, depending on what the weather does, and not have to water it again until maybe early summer or late spring of the next year.
Hmm.
So you get a full season head start on something by planting in the fall. But even planting right now, you can, we grow these trees and shrubs on pavement and gravel, and the difference maker is we have irrigation. And
Yeah.
there are things we have to give additional hand watering to because they dry out faster than what a single application of irrigation can render to them. So it's all about maintenance.